the on-demand stuff. I like all that. Well, here's the thing. You can still have all that, use all the things that your bike can do, use it as much as you want, still have access to the classes and on-demand and so on, still be able to track your progress, but saving yourself around about £300, $300 a year. Hi everyone, Stu here from 3B, and I'm going to be talking about that thing. Yep, it's one of my favourite new gadgets that I've had for around 6 months. It's a Peloton bike. Now I've come up with a possible idea of how you could save yourself some money. Around about £300, $300 or so, maybe more per year. And it revolves around the fact that I've got an injury, so therefore I'm not using the bike this month. That's not how you save money. You don't get an injury and then don't use the bike. When you stop your subscription to Peloton, the bike subscription, you don't lose access to your bike. As this video will show, you'll see a video coming up and it will show that you actually don't lose access to all the things that your bike can do. All you lose access to is the live streaming of classes and the on-demand classes. But everything that your bike does and everything that you used it for previously actually still continues to work. Now, a lot of you, myself included, may think, well, yeah, I like all the live classes. I like all the on-demand stuff. I like all that. Well, here's the thing. You can still have all that, use all the things that your bike can do, use it as much as you want, still have access to the classes and on-demand and so on, still be able to track your progress, but saving yourself around about £300, $300 a year. Now let me explain. As I said, when you get your bike, you get a subscription and so on, and you pay monthly. If you can have a holiday, which is what I'm doing now because I've got a hamstring injury, and what that does, it just pauses your subscription. You can pause your subscription forever, how long you want. I'm doing it for 1 month. And then I started to look at how the bike works without a subscription. And you still get the opportunity to use the bike. They of course don't advertise this, but you can still use the bike as a bike. And here's the thing, you can use any bike and do this. There's nothing stopping you. Then what you can do, you can get a app subscription. So you can use the Peloton app and gain access to all the same classes, everything. So you can still use the bike in any class, even the ones that require quite a lot of information and integration within the Peloton sort of universe, as it were, to still get the same results. You simply, all you do is you choose your class on your phone, follow it on your phone, but you do it on your bike. So you still have access to everything, but you're saving around about £25 or more per month just through doing it that way. And everything else is tracked, the courses, the lessons that you're doing, but the metrics from the bike are not sent. That's the only thing. So it's not a complete fits-all solution. You know, in January I will resubscribe and go back. But the argument here is it is possible to save, you know, even if you've got a Peloton bike, to save yourself £300+ dollars per year on still having access to everything, but forgoing some of the integration. Also, you could save yourself even more and just not get a Peloton bike, use a much cheaper bike, and still use the app and services and everything else. So my argument really is, it is possible. It's not ideal, but the option is there. So for whatever reason you may want to be saving money but still use the bike rather than sell it, and still have access to everything, and still be able to save yourself £350 dollars per month. It's just an idea. Don't hate me for it. I love Peloton. I love the universe. I love the courses, and I'm very, very likely to do a review of the bike after around about 6 months. I've had it 6-7 months now, so yeah, it's probably time for a good review of how my experience, my thoughts on the Peloton bike. And yeah, so look out for that. If you've not subscribed to this channel, then please do. It's about gadgets and stuff, so if you like that, subscribe, press the bell and click the thumbs up and all that other lovely stuff. Thanks again for watching. Very likely you've turned off ages ago, so you're not even listening to this. But anyway, thanks, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.